Hello everyone, my name is Vivek. I'm going to explain about the case study of Amazon EC2, which comes under the Infrastructure as a Service, which is shortly known as IaaS. First, let us see about the introduction to cloud computing. The cloud computing, it provides on-demand access to the resources, examples like servers, storage, databases over the internet. And there are mainly three service models: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Now I'm going to discuss about the Amazon EC2, which is a real world example of infrastructure as a service. First, what is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 it stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It is a service which is provided by the Amazon Web Services, which is known as AWS. It will let us run virtual servers in the cloud directly. It also provides the compute capacity which can be resized. Like we can increase or decrease the resources anytime according to our wish, and we only pay for what we use. Next, let us look at the key features. The key features are it launches virtual machines, they are called instances, and it takes place in minutes. And we can choose from various instant types like CPU, memory, and storage optimized. Other features are elastic scaling, means it automatically adjusts to workload demand, and secure and reliable. It uses virtual private cloud, VPC, and identity management. And the last one is global availability. That is, it has data centers across all regions for our necessity. And how does the Elastic Cloud works? The user will select the Amazon machine image and then we'll launch it on an instance, which is a virtual server, and then we'll connect via SSH or web interface. Next, we can deploy applications, websites, or services, and we pay only for the instances, runtime, and storage only. Next, the advantages of EC2 are we actually no need to buy physical servers, and these are scalable and flexible, and they have high performance and they're reliable. They're cost effective and pay as you go. We pay only for what we use, and it can be integrated with other AWS services like S3, RDS, Lambda, and etc. And the use cases are hosting the web applications or backend services, and running machine learning models or analytics, game server hosting, development and testing environments, batch processing or rendering workloads. An example scenario is, let us consider a startup and we want to host its website globally, and they launch two EC2 instances which are in different regions for balancing the load. And when the traffic increases, the AWS automatically it adds more instances, like it is auto scaling. So this will ensure the smooth performance and it will reduce our cost. And the challenges or limitations of this is that it needs technical setup for knowledge, and the cost can increase if we do not monitor properly. And we can manage multiple instances and which may become a complex. And the conclusion is that Amazon EC2 it is one of the most powerful IaaS cloud services. It offers features like flexibility, scalability, and it is cost efficient for modern applications. And it is used mostly by startups to large enterprises for global computing needs. Thank you.